What's up, guys? It's your girl ELLPEP23. Get it right. Today we are turning back to the curly hair. Fine. And so I'm going to finally turn her back to where she belongs, where she needs to be. I've been skipping my deep conditioning, so that's an issue. But I'm gonna deep condition today. Today I'm gonna use the Curlsmith Bond Salve Rehab, something like that. I did a video on it before doing a protein treatment. This is what I used. Since you know, my hair was straightening and stuff, and the protein was breaking down and stuff, I want to do a protein treatment just to make her a little bit strong, you know, make her stronger, get back to where she needs to be. Before we get into the video, are you subscribed to my channel? If you're not, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like my videos so they can go, so YouTube can recommend them, please. And make sure you guys comment any questions you guys have, anything you guys want to see, anything you guys want me to try. Yeah, but let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, for the revealing moments, let's see it. All right, it's sprayed. Ain't nothing changing. We're gonna give it a second. It's probably just a little product. That's it. I'm over here. Okay, she's coming back to life. She's coming back. Okay, this is good. This is good news. She's coming back. So I'm gonna spray the rest. I'm gonna detangle it and come back to it. So she's not dead. Yay! She's not dead. She is still kicking and wicking, back and better than ever. I'm gonna put in this conditioner, this bond treatment, and it's gonna help a lot with my restoring my curls and just restoring my hair in general, so it won't be super weak. Cause you know, after you straighten your hair will be. It depends on how strong your hair is before, but for me, my hair has been a little bit. Well, I've been saying it all the time, but you know, it's been a bit interesting. So it just needs some more strength. I'm gonna do this treatment to keep it strong, and then also after you straighten, you will want to do a protein treatment, or do it before, so that when you so that it'll keep your hair strong. So do a protein treatment before you straighten your hair, so it won't break your hair off, if that makes sense. If your hair is low porosity, you have more protein, so it probably wouldn't be too necessary. I mean, I would still suggest it personally, but you know, do your research, baby. But high porosity for sure, because your hair is like, you have more moisture than you do protein, so you need more protein to keep your hair strong. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this conditioner in. After I put my conditioner in, I'm gonna scrub my scalp. I have this scalp scrub by Nexus, I think it is, and I'm gonna scrub my scalp because it's been very dry. It's been drier than the Sahara Desert. So let rivers of flowing water flow through dry places. What's that? Take too much cash. Save this bottle was like $20-some, but it's worth it because last time I tried it, it helped my hair a lot actually, a lot. So no complaints over here. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at ELLOPEP23. Get it right. Get it right. Okay. But yeah, y'all, I love y'all. I'm just about to go ahead and style my hair. If you guys want to see what I do with my hair, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and yeah, just check out my channel if you guys want to see more styles. So, deuces.